Corey. What in the world? Come here. Will you try and get this fish out? I can't get my feet wet. No, here. Here's a stick. Just stick it in the mouth. And
How is this even in the river?
well, where else would a fish be? Oh,
Here, like for my dating profile.
right. Hold on. That's a beast of a fish.
This would have been a good trophy for a bass fisherman.
Here, come over here and show it to me. Oh, what? Oh my gosh.
That's a wide mouth
Hold
bass.
on, put your hand up here. Get it close to my hand.
Oh, get your fish by your hand.
Right? Hold on.
It's not been dead that long.
Pull that out. Oh my gosh. Hold that camera. It's heavy. Ouch. Nice fish. You throw them like this sideways.
You handed it to me sideways.
Sorry. All right. Dead fish, San Gabriel River.
Wait, let me get a picture of it. No.
Here, in my pocket.
I can take the picture for you.
I'm good.